This is a 5-way oscillator, so I just have it set in the middle. You can push it to the side more. Like, let's say you wanted it to oscillate more this way if it was wall mounted. And the oscillation arc will only move so far, but it'll be more toward the side that you want it to oscillate to. See how it mostly turns to that side? It's great for wall mounting, but other than that, it's not really, it's kind of a gimmick. You just click it in place. I did service this one. I wasn't able to take apart the motor though because it's riveted together, which sucks. Technically I can. I just drill the rivets out, but I didn't feel like doing that. So I just put an oscillator into the bearing, and in the wick I had to lay it face down so that way the oil would seep into the bearings, but it seemed to work. And put some grease on the gears too. I feel the air. Over here it's a nice breeze. It's very quiet and efficient. Personally, I like the Blue Blade version. I used to have 2 of them, but I sold them. They're nice, but I didn't need them. So I'm selling this one too. I like these fans, but I don't have space right now. So here's high. It's rated for 0.37 amps or something. I don't know, it might be less. The one thing that Panasonic did that was better than Lasco was use metal clips for the guard instead of plastic ones, which is why I like this fan a lot. But when you got 3D printers now, people will make anything, so they can make those clips again. Taking one of these apart is strange because because the gearbox is clipped in, which is weird. Usually they're screwed in with Lasco products, but it wasn't that hard to get around. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And that's the Panasonic. Let's see what model. Will it tell us? Nope. F1209. Okay. So, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.